Hey, Bob Wilkes here from Trim-A-Slab. Today we're going to go over how you can repair these PVC control joints around your pool deck with Trim-A-Slab.
Okay, what we're talking about here are these joints that are on the pool deck. And from the top they may have cracked, they may have just gotten brittle from the sun, but below the surface they're quite small. They have these little water stop wings. This is anchored in here very well. You're not gonna need to get this out. You don't want to try. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna saw out the top, and we're gonna saw out this little cross rib, and then we're gonna press in some Trim-A-Slab. And when we're done, it's gonna look like this. The Trim-A-Slab is gonna press in. These little beam elements will hang on to whatever remains of the internal plastic pieces, and the top surface will now be soft, smooth, and even.
All right, and now the tools you're going to need to do this kind of repair. First of all, you're going to have to cut the top and the midsection of that joint out. So a reciprocating saw works great. A circular saw works great. Just set the depth so that it cuts those horizontal little elements. And that's all the prep you need to do. Doesn't have to be particularly clean. Then you're going to have to get some 1/2-inch Trim-A-Slab. We have 3 different colors to choose from. Also, this flexible PVC surface can be painted with the regular deck coating mechanisms and paints that are available. You may also want to have a rubber mallet to tap this into place, and something to cut the overall length, either a PVC cutter like this, or a utility knife, or just a pocket knife. Doesn't need to be too fancy. This is going to be one of the easier DIY projects that you can take on.
As you can see, this joint has been cut, not particularly uniform. You just need to make a slot big enough to get the Trim-A-Slab in, 3/8 of an inch, maybe up to 1/2 inch, and you will be good to go. And even if it cracks up like this, it really won't matter. All right. And this is just working in by hand. And then coming back at the end, making a nice cut. There you have it. And there's the final product. The joint looks nice and even again.